Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Kitchen Cleaner Spray is probably one of the most essential tools in maintaining a hygienic and sparkling kitchen environment, tackling grease, grime, and harmful bacteria with ease, ensuring your cooking space is not only visually appealing but also a safe haven for your family's health and well-being. Number 5. Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner Spray, Lemon Breeze. Introducing Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner. It effectively eliminates 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, including the COVID-19 virus, to help keep your loved ones safe. Achieve a deep clean with this powerful disinfectant spray. It tackles soap scum, cuts through tough grease and grime, providing a versatile clean you can rely on. This versatile cleaner is perfect for use on various hard, non-porous surfaces throughout your home. Use it on counters, sinks, appliance exteriors, and more. Experience powerful cleaning and disinfection without the harshness of bleach. It offers effective results for your entire household. Get your surfaces sanitized in a flash with this convenient spray. It provides fast-acting disinfection to kill 99.9% of bacteria quickly. Enjoy the disinfection you trust, now with a refreshing lemon breeze scent. It leaves your home smelling fresh after every use. What we like? This cleaner is your go-to for a powerful, germ-killing clean without bleach. If you're looking for a reliable disinfectant that tackles tough messes and leaves a fresh scent, this is it. It's perfect for families wanting to ensure a hygienic home environment. What people say. It cuts through grease and dirt easily and leaves everything smelling fresh, not overpowering. The spray nozzle works perfectly and makes it easy to use on different surfaces. Smells really good, it cuts through grease easily. The nozzle has on and off turn control. Number 4. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner Kit. Weiman is the #1 selling and most trusted brand for stainless steel cleaning products. You can rely on us for the best results. Our pH-neutral formula quickly cleans and shines all your stainless steel surfaces. It also provides a protective layer against common household marks. This cleaner is designed for convenience, working effectively on all stainless steel surfaces. Its pH-neutral formula ensures compatibility and safety. Keep your black stainless steel looking pristine. The polish leaves a barrier that resists fingerprints, dust, and smudges, maintaining its sleek appearance. Use it on refrigerators, microwaves, ovens, stoves, grills, sinks, and more. It's perfect for any stainless steel appliance in your home. This value kit includes everything you need: a bottle of spray cleaner, a microfiber cloth, and stainless steel wipes for a complete cleaning solution. What we like? Achieve a brilliant shine on all your stainless steel surfaces with this specialized cleaner. If you have stainless steel appliances and want to keep them looking pristine by repelling fingerprints and smudges, this is the ideal choice. It's designed for those who value the appearance of their kitchen. What people say. It effectively removes fingerprints, smudges, and streaks, leaving surfaces shiny and polished. Works well at removing fingerprints, grease marks, and does not have a sticky residue. Dries very quickly. It works incredibly well, removing my kids' fingerprints from all of our stainless steel appliances and drying streak-free every time. Number 3. Better Life All-Purpose Cleaner, Clary Sage and Citrus. Experience a powerful clean that tackles scuff marks, spills, and grease. It leaves your home sparkling without harsh chemicals. This versatile cleaner is perfect for use all around your home. It effortlessly cuts through grease and grime on walls, floors, and countertops. Enjoy worry-free cleaning with our formula. It's made without harsh solvents, bleach, or alcohols, making it gentle on your senses and skin. Choose products that are kinder to the next generation. Our plant-based formula is safe for use around children and pets. For best results, simply spray and wipe away any mess. It's ideal for quick cleanups in busy households. Achieve a brilliant shine on glass, countertops, and appliances. This cleaner handles it all with ease. What we like? Experience a powerful clean that's gentle on your home and the planet. If you prioritize non-toxic, plant-based cleaning solutions and need a versatile spray for everyday messes, this is the one. It's especially suitable for households with children and pets. What people say. It works for everything, including the shower and glass shower doors. It does not leave streaks. It takes me a few months to get through both bottles. I use it to clean multiple surfaces in my house: kitchen counter sink, dining table, nightstands, bathroom counter sink, toilets. It works great for everything. It tackles everything from glass to countertops and even upholstery with ease. The unscented formula is a huge bonus. No overpowering fragrance, just a clean, fresh finish. Number 2. Lysol Pro Kitchen Spray Cleaner and Degreaser. Introducing the Lysol Pro Kitchen Spray. It's designed to tackle tough grease and grime, leaving your kitchen surfaces sparkling clean. This all-purpose cleaner is perfect for a variety of kitchen tasks. From countertops to ovens, it handles it all with ease. Keep your kitchen hygienic with its powerful antibacterial properties. It effectively eliminates germs, ensuring a healthier environment. Enjoy the refreshing citrus scent as you clean. It leaves your kitchen smelling fresh and inviting after every use. Get a generous 22-ounce bottle, providing ample cleaning power for all your kitchen needs. It's the perfect solution for a spotless kitchen. What we like. Tackle stubborn kitchen grease and grime with this potent degreaser. If your kitchen surfaces, ovens, and appliances are constantly battling tough, greasy buildup, this spray is designed for you. It offers a powerful clean specifically for high-traffic kitchen areas. What people say. This is by far the best at getting tough stickiness and yucky stuff off counter and stove area after cooking or when you just have a 2-year-old. Gets what method, me Myers, etc. cannot. Great value for money, don't have to use too much at once to see results fast, smells good, and no leaking for me. Easy as 1, 2, 3 to use. The spray was super effective on grease, and there were no issues with leaking from the bottle. It worked better than I expected and made cleanup much quicker and easier. Very effective at breaking down grease. Minimal effort needed after letting it sit. No leakage from the spray bottle. Works quickly and efficiently. It cleans and disinfects. Also, this is a clean, refreshing smell. Number 1. Method Antibacterial All-Purpose Cleaner Spray, Bamboo. Introducing a powerful cleaner that tackles everyday messes. It's designed to keep your home sparkling and hygienic. This effective formula eliminates 99.9% of common household germs. You can trust it to sanitize surfaces throughout your home. Don't let grease and grime get you down. This cleaner cuts through tough messes with ease, leaving surfaces spotless. While it's tough on dirt, it's also gentle on your surfaces. Enjoy a deep clean without worry. Experience the refreshing scent of bamboo with every spray. It leaves your home smelling as clean as it looks. Simplify your cleaning routine. This all-purpose spray cleans and sanitizes in a single, easy step. What we like. Get an effective antibacterial clean with a refreshing bamboo scent. If you need a reliable disinfectant for everyday germ killing on various surfaces and prefer a milder, naturally derived formula, this is a great option. It's ideal for maintaining general household hygiene. What people say. The antibacterial formula is a big plus. It cuts through everyday messes easily, and I like knowing it kills 99.9% of household germs without leaving behind that harsh chemical smell some cleaners have. The spray goes on evenly, doesn't leave streaks, and dries quickly, perfect for daily wipe downs. Method is supposed to be safe for anything that gets dirty anywhere. Use this from the kitchen to bathroom. It smells nice and it cuts grease as you clean. It does not leave a residue. It cuts through grease and grime on my stove top and just cleans everything well. I love the scent too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.